Hello everyone, this is Anas and today I would like to do a short lesson on pronunciation. तो जैसा कि आप ये वर्ड्स देख सकते हैं तो इन वर्ड्स को प्रोनाउंस कैसे करते हैं राइट जनरली यू विल फाइंड पीपल सेइंग मैजिशियन इलेक्ट्रिशियन ब्यूटिशियन पॉलिटिशियन ऑप्टिशियन एंड टेक्नीशियन unfortunately this is wrong pronunciation. Oh really? So what's the right pronunciation? Let me tell you what is the right pronunciation. मैं बताता हूं so ये words ending with cian sound, ये cian पे एंड होते हैं और इनका साउंड होता है शन शन not shian, right? So it's magician not magician, it is electrician not electrician, it is beautician not beautician. Similarly, politician, optician, technician. This is the right pronunciation. Okay, so say after me: magician, good, electrician, beautician, politician, optician, and technician. Right, absolutely, you are amazing. So this is how we pronounce these words. तो ये सही pronunciation है इन words का. So that's all about the word ending with cian. ऐसे आपको अगर दूसरे कोई words मिलते हैं तो हम इनको बिल्कुल इसी तरह से pronounce करते हैं. So now you will sound like an real English speaker. Okay, so this is all about a short lesson. See you in next video with a different pronunciation lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care and keep improving your English because English is very important for your future.